Critically examine. This is
70% negative, 30% positive.
critically examine. Suppose the question is right question.
అలా రాయాలి. క్రిటికల్ ఎగ్జామ్ అని అడిగితే క్రిటికల్ ఎగ్జామ్ అంటే క్రిటిక్స్ ఎక్కువ రాయాలి కదా.
Is tax applied to agriculture?
No.
Not applied.
Indirect tax.
You're not asking question.
I'm just asking the general awareness.
Is tax applied to?
Agriculture income,
No,
there is
no.
a tax?
No,
tax.
there isn't.
Okay, so write a question. Taxing and agriculture income is a good idea. It's a good idea. Whose time has come? Critically examine. Actually, there is a minute difference between examine and critically examine. So now you guys have to tell that what can be the difference. Because Bhagya is saying that I know that.
More negative.
In this more negative. But if you write a negative points, they won't they cut marks like negative you shouldn't write, no?
Actually, see, what people think that, including Bhagya, that if there is a word critically, it means we have to more focus on the negative point. Actually, critically here means that you have to think more deeply and more rational way. Actually, you do not need to focus on just right.
Opposite.
Yeah, a positive side only. You have to evaluate the things in both positive and negative side, and you have to conclude your point with a balanced approach. So this is what actually critically means. So this word can be used with any word, like critically discuss, critically explain, critically evaluate, critically analyze. People can write.
Critically analyze,
Yeah,
critically explain.
means you have to be more rational here. And and give justification of your each point. That okay, suppose that Bhagya has said that kisi FDI has come, so I think it decreasing the poverty. Now you have to write here according to which data, WHO, World Bank, or Niti Aayog. You have to source their data. So this is difference here.
Strengthen your point with attaching factor.
Yeah.
Negative positive write.
పాజిటివ్ రాసిన
You have to give a balance approach.
డేటా అటాచ్ చేయాలి. నెగిటివ్ రాసిన
Conclusion balance approach. Conclusion should be balance approach. Yeah.
What about body? Should be filled with
Body
data
should be
points.
both positive and negative. But if there is a critically, it means we can say means ke 60-40 or 50-50.
60-40 means 60 what?
60 positive and 40 negative, or 50-50 positive and negative.
Okay.
But negative shouldn't be greater than positive, no?
It depends.
Critically analyze.
डिपेंड्स कैसे मतलब क्वेश्चन पे डिपेंड करेगा. क्वेश्चन पे डिपेंड करेगा.
Yeah. Suppose that see, you cannot say that we should impose tax on agriculture. So it is just negative statement. So now here you have to write 40% positive and 60% negative. Because if we impose tax on agriculture income,
I'm saying that one.
That one only she said no at the starting. Like more negatives should be there and then less positives.
okay, she was saying the same thing.
That
Okay,
is the
okay.
same thing. And then I was confused like what is this in between?
Okay, but it depends on the question as well. Because see, this
This
question
one is negative na.
yeah, this question itself is negative now, because we cannot say that we should impose tax on agriculture, because agriculture is a sector which already always in
Lower.
around 50% populations are involved in agriculture in India, but GDP contribution around 20%. So see, it is always I think critical situation. So we cannot say that we should impose tax on agriculture. They are just judging you actually. What is your opinion in that? So it is a negative statement, so you have to write 60% negative here and 40% positive.
If that is positive, then we have to write 60 positive. and 40.
This is what I'm saying.
We have
So-
to do opposite. Question is positive, we have to write negative more.
Yeah.
But what is positive here in this question?
అంటే ఇప్పుడు మన కంట్రీకి అగ్రికల్చర్ మీద ట్యాక్స్ చేయడం అనేది అపోజిట్
Speak in English
వాళ్ళే ఫాస్ట్ చెప్పేది.
so that we can also understand.
దాని కుళ్ళు చూసినావా?
అవును చెప్పు.
అయితే
ట్యాక్స్ వల్ల పాజిటివ్ ఏముందంటున్నా
పాజిటివ్ లేదు, ఈ క్వశ్చన్ నెగిటివ్.
పాజిటివ్ రాయమన్నది ఆ 40% ఏం రాయాలని అడుగుతున్నా.
ఇన్కమ్ పెరుగుద్ది కదా, రెగ్యులర్.
But we will also speak in Hindi, then you will not understand.
He is just explaining the things in
No,
a
I'm
faster
asking
way.
what should we write under positive things.
Okay. Yeah, okay. You are asking that what is positive in this question? What you told?
Tax value increase.
Yeah, tax value.
Tax base.
Overall income growth will increase. Yeah.
So more scope to development.
Yeah. Economic activity will increase.
నువ్వు ఎక్కువ చెప్తావు ఆలోచన.
And also you can say that fiscal deficit will decrease, current account deficit will decrease, and you can say like that. See, you should know how to generate the points. You will get to know during that one. So these actually you got that. This was the category number 4, right? And now next one. Okay, this is good question actually. Prove that, next question, right? Next
Category
question.
5?
Yeah, category 5 and question.
Prove that.
Prove that poverty leads to crime.
ఇక్కడ మనం సినిమాలు కూడా వాడచ్చు. యూ కెన్ యూజ్ సినిమా స్టోరీస్.
Poverty leads
Tax
to.
అవుతుంది కదా.
ట్యాక్స్ రాయాలి, ఆ హెల్ప్ తీసుకోవచ్చు కదా. పావర్టీ లీడ్స్ టు క్రైమ్.
So tell me, what does this word mean? Prove it. And what you have to write in detail.
That we have to prove that poverty is leading to the crime. We have to
So will you write negative side as well?
We have to write negative side as well.
Prove that
With
means
positive also.
already
There
happened
is no
things.
purpose, huh? There is no positive side in it, no? How can you say?
No, I'm saying.
Positive for them in the sense like
No, for the people why you write. Like,
if they'll crime, yeah, if they will kidnap somebody, they'll get money, no? It's their
దీంట్లో పాజిటివ్ నెగిటివ్ రాయమనుకుంటా.
ఇప్పుడు చెప్పింది అలాగని ఇంకా
అది లాగుతున్నాను.
prove that means if anything happened like this, we can take that examples and we will do.
So we will write other side as well, like in critical exam, we have write both positive and negative. So we will write also here. Not.
this we have to, if it is a negative statement, we have to write it positive.
See, okay. Actually,
It's like when you prove something, you prove that your point is correct. So there is no negatives and positives.
Yeah.
in it, no? How can you prove like once you say that is green, that is nice, and then you go that side and that is not nice? You can't prove. You should be in one point to prove that. చెప్పినప్పుడు
It's real now. Already he said poverty leads to crime. You have to prove just.
But it will sound more negatively if you
ఏ
want to prove
కేటగిరీ
it.
వాళ్ళకి వస్తుంది, వాళ్ళు వాడొచ్చా లేదా.
He wants that only now.
He wants negative only.
Children అని ఉంది.
yeah. Actually,
ఇంగ్లీష్లో కొన్ని రిస్ట్రిక్షన్స్ ఉంటాయి, కొన్ని వాడొచ్చు కొంతమంది. Children
you guys have
వాడైపోతుంది.
given good answer in this. That if there is a proof, na, so you have to just prove what the question is asking. Means poverty leads to crime, means you have to just write that poverty leads to crime. And you will not write that poverty does not lead to crime here, because you have to just prove it. So can we replace prove with justify that poverty leads to crime? So you can replace poverty, prove means justify or substantiate. You can also substantiate. Yes, you be yes. So these three words are in the same line. Prove,
Same
substantiate,
meaning.
and
Is
yeah.
there any difference in answer?
I will tell you in detail. Right now I'm just categorizing actually. Justify. So here you have to write only one-sided. What they have asked, not other sided. Okay, please remember it, because they have already concluded that poverty leads to crime. Now you do not need to give your opinion. Just prove that okay, poverty leads to crime. So this is actually difference. So this was the category number 5. Next one.